Heavy-duty storage cabinets are a practical solution for those who need to store and organize large and heavy items. There are many products available to choose heavy-duty storage cabinets, each with different characteristics, benefit, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did extensive research, read tons of review, and compiled a list of the best heavy-duty storage cabinets from reputable brands. After much research, I found those products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So, without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Garage Storage Cabinet with 2 Lockable Doors. Osacrilio Metal Cabinet is a durable and versatile storage solution. Constructed from high-quality steel, it offers exceptional stability and can hold heavy loads. The cabinet features a lockable design with 5 adjustable shelves, providing security and adaptability for various storage needs. With each shelf supporting up to 180 pounds, it ensures safety for your items. The spacious interior layout maximizes storage space, keeping your belongings organized and protected from light, dust, and temperature changes. Number 2. Vingley Upgraded Wide and Deep Garage Storage Cabinet. Vingley Storage Cabinet is a spacious and durable storage solution. It is 34% wider than ordinary metal storage cabinets, providing ample storage space with 2 built-in pegboards in the locking doors and 4 adjustable shelves. With an excellent load-bearing capacity of up to 150 pounds per shelf and 750 pounds in total, it is sturdy enough to store heavy items such as ammo, paint buckets, and canned foods. The multipurpose toolboards built in the doors can declutter your garage tools or office sundries, and each cabinet has 2 keys to keep all your belongings secured. The cabinet is easy to move around with 4 detachable and lockable rubber wheels and comes with all required tools for assembly. Number 3. Aababo Garage Storage Cabinet. The Aababo Storage Cabinet is a versatile and convenient storage solution for your garage, office, home, school, or business. It comes equipped with 2 pegboards and hooks, providing a practical way to hang your tools. The cabinet also has magnetic devices on the top and bottom, ensuring your door stays protected. With 4 adjustable and removable shelves, you can customize the space according to your needs. Each shelf can hold up to 120 pounds. Additionally, the cabinet has 4 lockable wheels, making it easy to move around, and the casters work on all surfaces. The cabinet also has 1 lock with 2 keys, ensuring safety and convenience. Lastly, the cabinet comes with 4 bottom corner protectors, which protect the steel cabinet from damage. Number 4. Upgraded Tall and Wide Metal Storage Cabinet. The Senji Garage Cabinet is a heavy-duty black storage solution with 30% more capacity than regular cabinets. It features built-in pegboards on the doors and back panel for adjustable shelves for customized storage, reinforced steel construction for durability, and key cam locks for security. The cabinet also comes with detachable swivel wheels for easy mobility. With this cabinet, you can maximize your storage space, keep your items organized, secure your belongings, and move the cabinet around effortlessly. Number 5. Garage Storage Cabinet. The Suxon Metal Tool Storage Cabinet is an ideal solution for your household goods, supplies, tools, etc. It features 4 adjustable shelves, a built-in lock with 2 keys, rotating casters, and durable technology. The cabinet is made of steel materials that are durable and can easily store tools and keep them for many years. With its powder coating process, it forms an effective anti-corrosion barrier. The overall size of the cabinet is 70.9 inches high, 31.5 inches wide, 16.5 inches deep. It is perfect for use in the garage, laundry, office, or any place where additional storage is required.
That's all from my end. I make helpful video daily, so do subscribe my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products as it will make your life much more easier.